Hello, Aurora lovers. This is DaleBoan from DaleBoan Imaging, and this is Aurora Hunting 101. This is episode 30. Can you walk me through an Aurora hunt? There's a number of steps that I repeat daily as I plan for Aurora hunting that range from just checking the 3-day forecast to at night checking the short-term 30-minute forecast. I'm going to walk you through the steps and how to think about both of those forecasts, and also other considerations such as clouds and the moon and other annoyances. So let's get started. In summary, the most fundamental step is knowing what KP value you need to see the northern lights in your area, and use that KP map that Noah put out that I had to know approximately what KP level you need to see the aurora where you are. I see a lot of people online wondering if they can see the northern lights, and the KP forecast is not strong enough, not remotely strong enough to be seen where they are. So once you know that, monitor the 3-day forecast to see if there's events that are happening where during your night, preferably during the times closest to midnight, the KP values are going to be pretty high, high enough that you are likely to be able to see them in your area. And then also check the clouds. So don't get too excited, and make certain there's, not a big cloud bank that's going to be covering the area. And then if it's going to be full moon, that reduces visibility at least a KP. So in my experience, you need at least a KP higher to see the northern lights with a full moon. Sad but true. That's the bane of astronomy everywhere, is the moon. And then that night, so you got the moon's favorable, you have clear skies, you have a good forecast. That night, switch to monitoring the 30-minute forecast, the actual true aurora forecast, and see if that auroral oval is expanding and going to cover the area where you live. And then also look at the satellite imagery for the clouds to make certain the forecast is correct, or hopefully maybe it's incorrect and it was forecast to be cloudy and it's actually not cloudy where you are. And you can use that to decide whether you should go out, or maybe which direction you should go if you want to try and get away from the clouds, if that is an option. And then, of course, be prepared and be safe and courteous. With that, please check out episode 31. Is there a better KP? I know I sort of picked on KP. There's at least one alternative. It's a little bit better. So let's talk about that in the next episode. And I'm wishing you clear skies and happy hunting.